Hello guys and welcome back into a new brand video. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how to unsubscribe from Microsoft 365. So make sure to watch the video to the end and follow these simple steps. So basically for this video, we're just going to follow the support article of Microsoft. And from here, we will be able to learn how you can simply unsubscribe or cancel your Microsoft subscription. So simply, you will be needing just to go to manage subscription from your Microsoft account. That means you will be needing just to connect to your Microsoft account, and then you will be able to go to the subscription menu. By going to the subscription menu, you will be able to find like the subscription that you would like to cancel, and from there you will be able to cancel it. So let's just go to our Microsoft account, and here we will find like subscriptions from this side menu. By clicking on subscriptions, you will be able to go to the subscriptions and you will find, or you will need just to search for your subscription. I already have like my subscriptions that are expired. That means that they are canceled. So you will be needing just to click on manage, or you will find cancel subscription next to it. And then you will be able to start canceling your subscription. And as you can see, if you want to switch to another plan or anything, you can request a callback and basically you can contact the support so you can get like a better deal, etc. Otherwise, you will be able just to simply click on your subscription and from there you will find cancel subscription. And by canceling your subscription, you will be uh, canceled and basically you will be needing just to review your decision so you can see here all the actions that will be resulting from canceling your subscription, and then you can just like continue, like you will just confirm that you want to cancel it, and basically that's it. So this is how you can do it. Thank you for watching and see you next time.